Hey guys, Sheila here from Mediavandals. It's Friday, and I'm sure the last thing you want to do is watch a business video. And so I will try and keep this really quick. But I do need to make a video. I'm only about halfway through the 100-day video challenge. So here's my video today. Today I want to chat with you about networking, and the reason why I chose this topic is because last night I had the pleasure of having a conversation with a woman that I had met through Facebook Women in Business networking group. Hey Mel. Last night we jumped on a call and we had about 20 minutes scheduled. We ended up talking for about 40, and it was a really fantastic conversation. And the reason I'm bringing it up is because when Mel reached out to chat with me through the group, the first thing she did was drop like a JPEG of a list of questions that she was going to go over when we got on the phone to chat. Now, we didn't get on the phone. We ended up doing a video chat, which is even better because in this COVID era that we are in, face-to-face is missing from a lot of conversations. So it was really nice to actually place a face to the voice. And what really impressed me about this is she came prepared with a list of questions. And in that list of questions was not a single thing about sales. There was nothing of, I'm going to sell to you. There was nothing of, you're going to sell to me. And I think the big mistake that people make with networking is that you will go to an event or join a group to network with others, and you will make the mistake that networking means you're there to sell something. And networking is not about selling things. Networking is about creating a network of people that you can refer to or that you can call upon when you need help with something, or that you can call upon when you want to promote something to their business. And by promote something, I don't mean selling things from your business to their business. I mean, you have a client that needs something that you can't deliver, and you have a network of people that can help them out. I was really impressed by the fact that when she reached out, the first thing she did was post this image, because it let me know that when I was going to get on that call with her, she wasn't going to try and sell me anything. And I'm not a salesy person. If I'm getting on a call with somebody to chat, I'm not going to push what I'm selling. So by her posting this list and us jumping on a call, there was an agenda to the conversation. None of it was sales, and it led to a more meaningful conversation between the two of us where we actually got to know about each other's business and about each other in general, and potentially how we could help each other grow. Networking should be fun. It should be getting to know other people. And again, I know in a COVID era, people aren't getting the chance to have face-to-face group settings. So I do highly encourage checking out some of the Facebook groups to find something that is related to your business and get out there and network with people and try and start those conversations. Now, a couple of tips for networking in person or virtually. The first rule is to make sure you're on time, whether it's in person or virtually. Punctuality is everything. If you show up late to things so that you can be fashionably late, honestly, what you're saying is you don't value the time of the other people or the other person at that event. So rule number 1 is be on time. Rule number 2, leave your phone in your pocket. If you're talking to somebody and your phone goes off, leave it in your pocket. If you take a second to look away and grab your phone, again, what you're saying to the person you're talking to is whatever they're saying is not valuable enough to hold your attention, that your phone is more important. Number 3, ask easy questions. Just try and get some conversation going. what brought you to this event, what's your biggest frustration in your business. People like to talk about themselves and about their problems, so just ask questions and be interested when you're asking questions. Number 4, ditch the sales pitch. People, again, are not... The biggest thing about networking events is nobody likes to go to them because they don't want to be pitched to. Ditch the sales conversation and ask meaningful questions and get to know the person you're talking to. If they want to buy something from you, they will ask. They will say, hey, how do I get in touch with you? I'd like to use your product. So don't have that conversation where you're saying, oh, buy my thing, buy my thing, buy my thing. It's the most annoying thing in the world. Do you like when telemarketers call your house to ask to have your ducts clean? No. Smile, obviously. Smiling helps people feel at ease, and also share what you're passionate about and let people know, let them into your life a little bit. Tell them a story about yourself. Tell them what you're passionate about. Share a memory. It's all about creating a connection. With that said, also don't hijack the conversation. If somebody is mid-sentence, wait until they're done. Nobody likes to be interrupted. And the final thing is, after you leave a networking event, if you had a few meaningful conversations and you really think that you two can help each other grow, then don't forget to follow up. That's it for Friday. I hope you found this video helpful. And again, it being the weekend about to start, the next 2 videos will not be about business. Go spend time with your family, relax, recharge, reset, and we will see you back here for business on Monday. Cheers.